If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Rocket League, it can significantly affect your gameplay. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate the stuttering. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Open Rocket League and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing to improve performance and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Enable VSync. In the settings menu, enable VSync. This can help synchronize the frame rate with your monitor's refresh rate, potentially reducing stuttering during gameplay. Step 4. Check background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be consuming system resources. This can help free up CPU and RAM for Rocket League, improving performance. Step 5. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help resolve performance issues. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your gaming experience. Enjoy smoother gameplay in Rocket League.